Hello and welcome guys. So this is another tutorial from NKR Academy Digital Solutions and I am Shayan on behalf of NKR Academy. Today I will tell you what is WordPress website speed and how does it affect your business. Okay, if you are running an online business, this is an extremely important tutorial for you so that you get a practical exposure of how to improve your page speed by using a simple plugin. Okay, for that I have a demonstration site, right? Whoever follows this channel knows this site, and in this site I will now install a professional theme called Astra. Okay, and I will demonstrate with the help of a Astra preloaded site at how we are going to improve the page speed. Okay, so okay, there is Astra, so I'll click on the install. Guys, once the install is done, you need to click on the activate. Now you can see it's active. Now under the Astra options, you need to hit on this install importer demo. You can see it has been activated. I will choose the page builder as Elementor. Okay, just follow these steps, and if you have an active website, then it's well and good. Okay, so what I will do, I will get an e-commerce store, right, like this. So I will import the complete site. This will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so just let it get installed. If you can see, the website has been imported successfully, so I can hit the visit site. Okay, so here you can see it's this simple, guys. The site has been loaded. Okay, and you can see all the products are available here. Okay, so now let me take this URL and I will visit and hit Google page speed. Okay, and within that open this link. Okay, and now hit this analyze. So this is my raw site, guys. I have just imported a professional theme and there are a few products in there. Okay, there are a few plugins in there, and the page speed in mobile is coming as 52, as you can see here, and in desktop it's coming as 73. Okay, now I am going to work on this speed, and as you can imagine, see, it's a professional theme, so it's already optimized quite an extent, but I will still show you that how I can increase and improve the performance. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to plugins. In the plugins, I will add a simple plugin. It's a paid one as well, so you have to buy it, or if you really decide to get in touch with us, we can also help you. So WP Rocket, right? Okay, install. Fine. Now activate. Okay, so it has been activated, and within settings you can find this WP Rocket, right? Here it is, WP Rocket. I will go into it. Once I land into WP Rocket, the dashboard will open up here. Okay, just waiting for it to open up. Here it is. Okay, so here I need to do a few things, right? Okay, so first thing I will do is go to cache. Enable caching for mobile devices and separate cache for mobile device. This will happen only if you have separate any plugins or separate any design for mobile and responsive ways. Nowadays most themes are optimized to be responsive, so in most cases you won't need this to be checked in. Okay, okay, if your site is a membership site, then tick on this, otherwise leave it unchecked. Okay, now the cache lifespan. Now if your website has e-commerce website, the products get loaded in a matter of say 24 hours, then keep this as 23 hours. If it's a static one, doesn't mean static, it's a dynamic site, but the content changes not so frequently, say once in a week, then you can change it to that, right? So depending upon when and at what frequency your site changes its content, you can set this up here, the cache lifespan. Okay, then click on save changes. Okay, once the changes are saved, now you go to file optimization. In file optimization, what you do is you can minify the HTML, you can remove query string from static resources, you can combine Google font files, you can minify the CSS. Okay, activate minify CSS. What this does is this minify JavaScript and combine. See, different plugins have different JavaScripts and CSS. All of them should load in once so that the number of requests to the server gets reduced and in turn your page speed increases, right? If you have any JavaScript that you don't want to be included in this, you can specify that here, right? I don't have such things, so I will hit save changes. And guys, it's strongly recommended that you take a backup before doing these changes. In any case, if something goes wrong somewhere, then you can restore it, right? Okay, for lazy load, I will enable for images, and for iframes and videos. In case of YouTube video, I will change them with a static preview image so that it gets loaded quickly. Okay. If you have WebP type of image, then you can enable this as well. If you don't have, then there are no requirements. Okay, hit the save changes. Okay, now you can use the preload. The preload is one which enables the cache files. Here you can see it's by default checked in. If you have a sitemap, which I recommend you should for the active site, then you should check on this. Okay, and if your domain has multiple requests to some other domains, you can specify that so that it prefetches the content, right? Instead of doing it runtime, it can prefetch as well. So in that case, you need to enter it here. Next, you need to go to the database. In database, you have revisions, auto draft, and thrash post. This type of things you need to clean up because they unnecessarily occupy space and does delay, right? So you need all transients, and you can do an automatic backup also, right? Automatic cleanup. But before scheduling this, again, I will recommend you have a backup, right? So optimize. Now let's check more options that we have. Like here you have CDN. Okay, now in case of CDN, you can buy it from here, but that again cost. Okay, so we recommend using SiteGround hosting. In the minimal package of SiteGround hosting, even you get a free CDN, right? Here you can see in every package there is free CDN. And again, what is CDN? I have already told you in my previous tutorial. Also, we are going to have an entire tutorial based on CDN, so I won't waste time spending here over CDN, right? How to install and how to enable that, I will show you in another video, right? So for image optimization, you can use the tool over here, or you can use Smash Pro as well. I will show you that on another video, how to use that. Okay. So guys, this was the more or less basic things that you need to do. But don't forget, after all these changes, you need to come to dashboard. And in the dashboard, what you need to do is preload cache. You need to click on this, right? So that the whatever you have made changes, those changes gets done and the cache is prepared and it's loaded. Okay. So now we are all set. We have done all the required things to improve your page speed. And now let us again go to this URL and Google page speed. You can see my previous page speed result is right here on my another tab, and on this tab I will again hit the same URL and now check the speed. Okay. So the mobile device now is 84 what was it previously? If I go to mobile, it's 52 guys. From 52 I have been able to change it to 84, right? And what about the desktop speed? It was previously 73, right? You can see 73. Now let us check what is the desktop speed now. It's 98 guys. Just look at this. Okay, so you can also check the details over here. If you really know these fields, then you can understand how much I have changed these things and what are the benefit results that I am getting it, right? So that was it guys. If you want your page speed to be increased, if you want your performance of your website to be improved, then please follow this tutorial step by step. And again, if you like our video, if you like our tips and tricks videos that we do, the 10 minutes one which has a long effect in your business, then please like and subscribe to our channel and keep watching us and keep supporting us. Thank you.